Open your My Computer and right-click on Local Disk C and go to the Properties. Now select Disk Clean. Now put tick mark for all as following. Click OK to clean your local disk C. Once it's complete, go to the search bar and search Run. Now type %10% on Run Search. Click OK. Now you can see lot of unwanted files. Select all the file and delete it. Some files you are unable to delete it, skip that file. Now again go to the search bar and type Windows Update. Click Windows Update and check your computer already update or not. If it is not update your computer to make speed up. Now search Startup app. From here you can turn off unwanted apps to speed up your computer. Now you are done. Follow us for more useful tips.